YouTube चैनल स्टैटिस्टिक्स में आपका स्वागत है. In today's session of electric charge and field, further concepts will be cleared on Coulomb's law and electric field. In earlier session, we have discussed charge properties, Coulomb's law and electric field. One session, session 2 में this one, session 3 this. These are the Dielectrics, very important. You can go through this. Electric charge and field Gauss's theorem, continuous charge distribution 1D, 2D and 3D, which you can review on statistical. All these can be reviewed on statistical. Right? In addition to this, I will also like to request, go through these concept killing videos. Concept killing videos for JEE exam, CUT and other exams. In addition to this also particularly for NEET exams, which you can also review on statistics learn. Now let's start with the questions. Question is, two charges Q and 3Q are separated by a distance r in air. At a distance x from charge Q, the resultant electric field is 0. The value of x. 4 options are given to you. One of the options is correct. Question is taken from JEE Main 2024. Concept, applicability and solution. You know, plus charge plus Q2. Then, direction of electric field is direction of the electric field away from positive and towards negative. Right? We take three cases. In between direction of electric field will be away from positive. This will be away from positive. In this case, away from positive. Away from positive. This is additive. In this case, away from positive. Additive. Means electric field will be 0 inside for like charges. Electric field will be 0 in between for like charges, and outside for unlike charges. Right? Now let it this sense that x, this point is A, this point is B, this is X, this is P point. This is distance x. Q1 is Q, Q2 is 3Q. Now, electric field at P due to charge A, 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon x square along PB, and EPB will be equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon r minus x whole square along PA. Now, these two are opposite in directions. Now, to find distance in between where equal to 0, put EPA equal to EPB, put EPA equal to EPB, 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon x square equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught 3Q upon This is 3q upon r minus x whole square. This goes, this goes, this goes, this goes. Then r minus x whole square equal to 3x square r minus x, or you can say r minus x equal to plus minus root 3x. Then we get x plus minus 3x, x plus minus root 3x equal to r. So x comes out to be r upon 1 plus minus root 3 plus minus root 3, right? For negative sign, it will be outside. For positive sign, it will be inside. Therefore, x will be equal to r upon root 3 plus 1, r upon root 3 plus 1. Right? D is the correct answer. D is correct answer. Now, सिमिलरली कूलाम्स लॉ में फोर्स के बारे में फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, अट्रैक्टिव है, रिपल्सिव है, इन बिटवीन है, कहाँ, ठीक है. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन इज एन इनफाइनाइटली लॉन्ग पॉजिटिवली charged straight thread has a linear charge density lambda coulomb per meter. An electron revolves around a circular path having axis along the length of the wire. Graph that correctly represents the variation of kinetic energy of electron as a function of radius. Means kinetic energy function of radius. We have to develop the relation between these two. Kinetic energy is of y and function is of x. Radius is r. Now, if y equal to constant, line parallel to x-axis. If y equal to x, straight line passing through origin. If y proportional to x square, parabola upward or downward depending on the sign of that, and y square proportional to x, then right-handed or left-handed parabola depending on the constant of proportionality, positive or negative, right? We have to develop the relation between this. You know, electric field due to that is lambda upon 2 pi epsilon naught r. Due to infinite long charge straight thread has this formula as force equal to Q into E. Electron is moving, electronic charge lambda upon 2 pi epsilon naught r. This will provide centripetal force. This will provide centripetal force. This will provide centripetal force. Means mv square by r equal to lambda e over 2 pi epsilon naught r. This r goes 2 से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड किया, हाफ mv स्क्वायर इक्वल टू lambda upon 4 pi epsilon naught e. This is our constant for a given setup. And half mv square is the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy proportional to constant So means y equal to constant, that is independent of R. So kinetic energy is independent of R. Kinetic energy is independent of R. Therefore, B option is the correct option. B option is the correct option. B option is correct answer. Correct answer. I have explained all the types of parabola which are reduced. One is more. Y inversely proportional to x. Rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola इस टाइप का होता है. ठीक है. Now, next question. Question is, force between 2 point charges Q1 and Q2 placed in vacuum at r centimeter apart is F. Force between them and placed in medium having dielectric constant K equal to 5 at r equal to 5 centimeter will be. As we know, F is 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 on r square 1 by K. K is dielectric constant. Dielectric constant. K equal to 1 for air or vacuum, and for remaining mediums it is greater than 1. Means when system of charges merged in a medium other than their force decreases, right? But in this case, medium is being changed and distance is reduced. The answer may be any of these. 4 options are given to you. One of the options is correct. We have question taken right from 2024. Now, F air. This is according to Coulomb's law. K equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 on R air whole square. This is equation 1. F medium. 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 R medium whole square. This is equation 2. We have to find it out. F medium or F air 2 divided by 1. This goes, Q1 Q2 goes, then 1 over K R air over R medium whole square. This is equation 3. Now we will substitute the values in this one. Before substituting the values, I will discuss regarding Coulomb's law. Certain points will be discussed regarding Coulomb's law. It is action-reaction pair. It is action-reaction pair. Right? It is central force. Central force means it depends only on the distance between the 2 points. Next, it is conservative in nature. Conservative nature. Now, Coulomb force is much stronger than gravitational force. Next, applicable for distances greater than or equal to 1 Fermi, or you can say 10 to the minus 15 meter. It is action-reaction central conservative force, right? Now, substituting the values in equation 3. Substituting values in equation 3. F medium will be equal to 1 by K R air over R medium whole square. 1 by 5 R air upon R air by 5 whole square into F. This comes out to be 25 by 5 F. This comes out to be 5 F. This is the answer. Let's see the correct answer. Let's see the correct answers. C option is the correct answer. C option is correct answer. Right? Now, I will request if you are new to my YouTube channel, Set a Shift Learn. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.